I'm going to give you 5 tips to control your portion size. I'm Clint Grimes. Let's get started. Number 5, don't forget to read labels on packaged food. Doing so allows you to monitor the serving size. Learn about eating in the right quantity. Try to stick to a sensible portion size. You can eat your favorite food, but in a controlled proportion. At the top of the nutrition facts label, you'll find the total number of servings in the container and the food or beverage serving size. The serving size on the label is based on the amount of food that people may typically eat at one time and is not a recommendation of how much to eat. Number 4, don't eat without measuring your food. Use measuring cups and spoons to monitor how much food you're putting in your mouth. A digital food scale can help you control your calorie count. Weighing is the most accurate way to measure or calculate portion size. You can purchase a kitchen scale online. Invest in a digital scale. Digital scales are easier to use and more accurate. With a digital scale, you can easily zero out the weight of the container as well as select different units of measure. Number 3, choose small plates. When it comes to eating less, researchers have long known that a simple way to cut calories is to use a smaller plate. If you put a small piece of food on a large plate, your mind will tell you that you're eating a small portion and you'll automatically put more food on the plate. Using a smaller plate will make you feel satiated after eating. This is an optical illusion that works because we think things are smaller when we compare them to things that are larger. Number 2, journaling is helpful. You'll be able to practice portion control when you note how much you eat in a day. Journaling will help you keep a record of what you ate. So it will be possible for you to alter your diet and will push you to incorporate healthy foods and reduce portion sizes. The easiest way to keep a food journal is by downloading a free tracking app to your phone. Lose It, Lifesum, and MyFitnessPal are excellent tracking apps. Number 1, share your meals. If you're eating out at a restaurant with your family members or friends, share a meal with them instead of eating mindlessly. Doing so will help you exercise portion control. Chances are you'll feel just as full by the end of the meal. Multiple studies have confirmed that not only are restaurant-sized portions constantly growing, but the bigger the portion size, the more likely you are to consume more of those calories. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and click on this video to discover 5 family exercise ideas. That's it. That's all. See you next time.